Ho, 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 ho. Look what you.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
We're the most ragtag.
That is nasty. Santa Claus, a tortoise, and a fucking weird ass baby smoking a cigar.
We should take off our masks.
Nah, we're good. We look cool. We look normal.
When I'm going in.
Yeah, let's go! Let's do this! Shoot through the window! Do anything you want! Get her ass! There's a man here. Help.
We killed 2 hostages.
Put your hands up!
Deducted 8,000. We deducted 8,000.
Yeah, this is your fault. You're the one who always kills hostages. Come on.
Hey, you said do whatever you want.
That doesn't mean kill our hostages. Goddamn.
It does mean kill our hostages.
It means kill everyone.
Really?
Yeah.
We forgot the thermal drill. You know the thing that drills.
Yeah, I know that.
You know, we always forget that every goddamn time. I can shotgun them in the face. All right, we're good to go. We can drill shit, man.
We'll call them off.
Come on.
We got this. We know what the fuck did I do. We can do it, we can do it! We gotta do it quick. Alright, we gotta wait, like 3 minutes
Watch
for the
out for
drill
the SWAT.
to drill through. Hey, look! It's my Christmas tree! They didn't put out cookies, fuckers. This is what you get. Didn't put out cookies? Goddamn bitch, didn't put out cookies.
I'm dying.
I wanted the chocolate chip one. They didn't give me it. Let me up here.
I can't get up this ladder.
Well, you know why? Because you ain't specialized in getting up chimneys, are you?
Who killed a civilian?
Luke.
I didn't kill any civilians.
Luke. You always kill civilians, man.
I didn't kill any civilians.
Oh, well, yeah, you did. We can do this!
Ah!
Oh my god! I did a jump shot on him.
I meleeed him to death.
I'm punching him with my brass knuckle electrocutor thingies.
Shield.
Help!
Really, Ian? Really?
Oh, I need help. Oh,
Come on, there are lots of people.
This is bad. This is
bad. What? I'm not coming to help you. Screw you.
This is very bad. I'm gonna die. Oh no. Oh no.
Getting you up, buddy. I'm getting you up.
Why was this a good idea?
It was not a good idea. It was never a good idea. Ian, you can't do it. Gotta go. We gotta go. We gotta leave. We gotta get out of here. We gotta go. We gotta go. We gotta kill this guy. I'm so dead. I'm so dead. We gotta go. No! I'm down.
Get the medic bag.
Save Christmas.
Oh, I'm down. I'm down.
Save Christmas. Save the holiday.
Oh.
We have to save the holiday. We're professionals. Yeah, professionals don't lose. We win. But this time, we felt bad for the enemy, so we let them win.